It's your girl Jhordyn.
Was off the Remy, had a back loose. Had to hit my old town to check the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with it.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jhordyn. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are doing another style with me. This is becoming my bread and butter on YouTube. I really hope that more people are able to see these and check them out and tell me how they feel about them. So if y'all don't mind, hit the share button, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that the notification bell is pressed so you know whenever I post another video. But today we will be styling the Syracuse Dunk High. So with that being said, let's just get into it. The Syracuse Dunk quickly became my favorite because this bright freaking orange on the shoe. It is so nice. It is so pretty. This is my go-to dunk to wear other than the Dunk Low black and whites. The Syracuse is very clean. It's very easy to style, especially if you have different variations of oranges and whites in your closet. I didn't do a review on these. I don't think I'm going to do a review on these, but I do have other videos with these in them where I go more in depth about the shoe itself. All right, you know me. We start with the shoe and then we work our way up the outfit. So let's get into the pants. So these actually just came in. I just ordered these Nike cargo pants. They are club fleece and I am obsessed with club fleece. We have the cargo pockets on each side. They're super soft, super comfy. They're so new that I haven't even taken the tags off yet. So I got these in a size extra large. I'm really a size large, but everybody who owns Nike stuff, especially club fleece, knows that it will shrink over time. So I just gave myself a little extra room here because I really don't need it, but this is where we're at. So they are a nice deep chocolate brown. They have the Nike written and they also have the Nike swoosh underneath. I like this Nike logo the best rather than just the swoosh by itself or just the wording by itself. The combination is top tier. It's actually S tier. Again, we have the cargo pockets. You go down the pant leg. It's not a straight leg, but it is a little bit cinched at the ankle. And these are called the standard fit taper leg sneaker length sweats. But if you just look up brown club fleece on the Nike website, you'll be able to find this exact pair. And again, I am a size extra large. So the top is also brand new. The top is also brand new. It is also from Nike, but this is a women's crop top and it is a size large. Again, I don't think I really need it, but I just like to have a little bit of extra space to maneuver. And anybody knows, if you know, you know, Nike clothing is susceptible to shrinkage. This is labeled under as the Nike tee and it just has the little basic swoosh at the top here. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering where I'm going with this outfit because we have this orange shoe and I just showed y'all a brown sweat set. So let me show you what's gonna tie it all together. I have this really bright orange, really nice puffer jacket that I actually got from Shein. If I can find the direct link, I will link it down below. It was very low stock when I ordered it, so it might not be there anymore. But if I can find a dupe, if this one isn't available, I will be sure to probably link that in the description box down below. But this puffer is really cute. I have worn it before. I wore it with my Shattered Backboard 3.0s and it was a whole thing. So I got it in extra large because you know me, I like to wear my stuff big. That is emphasis of like my entire closet. In the summertime, that's when things get a little snug, you know, because we showing a figure or whatever. Because I don't need to show my body to get attention on the internet, but you know, I know what I got. I know what I got. Y'all don't mind me, I'm just trying to build my self-confidence. But seriously though, I don't like to be showing my body off on the internet or showing my body off just in general. So a lot of my stuff is looser and baggier. Although obviously I am a woman and a lot of women's clothing is tight and I am a young woman, so I am gonna have my moments where I like to step out a little bit. But other than that, I'm pretty chill with all of my attire. We have all of that. What I'm thinking, I have white hats, but I don't have white hats that I want to wear with this outfit. This outfit gives me beanie energy, so I really want to go and pick up a white beanie. I don't have any white beanies. I don't own a lot of beanies in the first place because the only time I ever really get to wear hats is when my hair is braided or in locks. My hat collection could definitely be stronger, but I am starting to stack it a little bit. Now, I am probably gonna hit hat stop before I actually take my photos because I really want a white hat to tie this all the way together, you know, seal the deal or whatever. I think it'll look fine with and without it. I'm probably gonna show you with and without it, so let's just put it on.
Round 1, fight!
Everybody just
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been?
Alright y'all, I apologize for this lack of an outro, but if you enjoyed those last 2 clips, do follow me on Instagram at yourgirljhordyn_. That information is always linked in the description box down below, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you know every time that I post, and like I just said, follow my Instagram, and we good. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.